Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love, and thank you to Sharing Excess for donating 8 cases of these beautiful Italian long hot peppers. So what we're going to make today is we're going to make roasted peppers with garlic and olive oil. And what I'm going to do with the rest of them too, so that'll be another video, I'm going to show you how to dehydrate them and make them into a powder as an enhancer to anything that you make. It's going to be so wonderful. So let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it.
Hello friends, I appreciate you being here. Please watch the video to the end so you can see the whole recipe and help me out. Would you please click like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you more recipes.
I picked a whole bunch of really nice long ones. We definitely want to wash them off under cold water and let them rinse them dry a bit. Here are our clean long peppers, and this is how to prepare them. I like to slice them down the middle and then remove the rib and seeds since we're roasting and we're gonna eat the whole thing. If I'm actually gonna do this to dehydrate them and make them into a pepper powder, I would leave some of those seeds in because that is where a lot of the heat is. So, and if you know, like your red pepper flakes at the Italian restaurant, you'll see the seeds are in that blend. So these though we're roasting, so we're gonna get them sliced, remove the ribs and seeds, and put them into our pan. All my peppers are nice and clean, so I'm gonna put about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in the bottom of our pan. Just get that spread around. And then I'm gonna add 3 cloves of garlic in there to be roasted with it, and a nice sprinkling of oregano, about 2 teaspoons full. And now we're just getting all these peppers in here, spread it around. We're gonna put it into a 425 degree oven to roast for about 45 minutes because there's quite a few in that pan. So I'm gonna get that in the oven. Here are beautiful Italian long hot peppers right out of the oven, roasting for about 45 minutes. Now all of that olive oil is still on the bottom, so we wanna toss this around and get it covering all of those peppers with the olive oil, garlic, and oregano, and it smells wonderful. Now, you could just chop this up as is and put it onto sandwiches. Oh, the steam's fogging up my camera. Or you could puree it into a paste and use it to season and things, or you could put it in the food processor and make it more of a compote that you could put on top of bruschetta. So anything you want to use this for, or even just eat it as is as a side dish. So I hope you enjoyed this and we'll make it at home. Check out all the videos on my YouTube channel. I have over 495 and I'm working on my 500, which will be Dubai chocolate brownies. So come back and check it out.
Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like the recipe. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.